Ruian Huadong Packing Machinery Company Limited has established since 1996 with registered capital RMB 16,800,000. The building area of our factory is 10,370 square meters. We are a professional machinery manufacturer and exporter specialized in manufacturing shrink packing machinery, such as automatic L-bar sealer, automatic side sealer, automatic sleeve sealer, automatic flow shrink wrapper, automatic double side sealer, shrink tunnel, and related equipment. We provide complete packing solutions for different industries with over 23 years experience. All of our machines are full automatic machinery and had many patents. We are famous for superior quality, competitive prices, safe package, and prompt delivery. Most of products are in conformity with CE standard. Our products have been sold well in Europe, America, Middle East, and Africa. They are very popular in China and other countries. Our principle is to accomplish our customers' goal with honor and dignity. We firmly believe that with the spirit of consistent pursuit of technological development and good quality, we shall provide customers not only the good machines, good service, but also tailor services for special products according to our professional knowledge. We sincerely welcome friends from all over the world to visit our company and cooperate with us on the basis of long-term mutual benefits. We are looking forward to receiving your inquiries soon.